Nowhere to be, yeah. Left my phone face down on the kitchen table. Let it ring the whole world out the door. There's a boat with my name and a sky that's able to hold every thought I don't need anymore. And the engine starts and the ropes let go, and the harbor gets small and the blue gets slow, and there's nowhere to be, nowhere to be but here. Just the salt and the sun and the back of the breeze, and a whole day wide and clear. Lord, I forgot how it felt to be free, with nowhere, nowhere to be. Sea air and lemons, the smell of the morning, bare feet up in a cold drink, sweating slow. Somewhere in the distance, the faint ring of a church bell, that the world wants me back, but the world can't wait, let it go. 'Cause the water's loud and my mind's gone quiet, and I haven't felt this in a long, long time. And there's nowhere to be, nowhere to be but here. Just the salt and the sun and the back of the breeze, and a whole day wide and clear. Lord, I forgot how it felt to be free, with nowhere, nowhere to be. I know come Monday the gray comes back around, the list, the lights, the same old wind-up town, but I'll keep this folded small and gold in mine. A day I dropped the rope and felt the sun, and I was fine. God